Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's tip of the week. Today's tip of the week is a bit unique as it has to do with personal hygiene. You see, the other day I was talking to my daughter over the phone, and during the conversation, she mentioned that her boyfriend wanted to buy a new truck. So on that Saturday, they had gone to their local dealership where they live with full intentions of buying a new truck. She said, "Dad, the salesperson we dealt with had the worst breath ever. It was so bad that we had to leave." She told me that it smelled like he did not brush his teeth and then drank a pot of coffee. It was horrible. So I asked her if they went to another dealership, of which she told me they were so turned off, they decided to hold off for a bit on making such a purchase. And remember, they had gone to this dealership with full intentions of buying a new truck that day, and obviously they did not. The hard part about one's personal hygiene is that it is very hard to recognize any type of body odor on yourself. Why? Because you become accustomed to your own smell and scent. So please heed my tip of the day today and make sure you shower, brush your teeth, and apply deodorant. And just overall be conscious of your own personal hygiene, as if not, you will lose sales.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.